Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the hospital management system using Python and MySQL. That project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter module is used for the user interface. SQL is used for the database. First you have to download the XAMPP to start the Apache and MySQL server, and now you can run your code and you can also check the password. So let's open the code in Sublime Text Editor. We have to right click on that particular file and open with the Sublime Text Editor. This will be the complete code, user root, and the password is null. Here I'm not giving any password. You can check on localhost. So let's open the localhost. This will be the dashboard, and click on the phpMyAdmin. Then it will open the phpMyAdmin page. Then click on the user account page and check the password. Here you can see that password is not given. You can see it's null. So let's open the terminal. I just open the command prompt and go to that cd space desktop. So the code is in desktop, and run the sql.py file, and it will open the home page of a project. You can see user have to enter the patient informations like patient ID, gender, patient address, number of tablets, how to use medications, expiry date, reference number, further information, patient name, date of birth, name of tablets, daily doses, issue date, possible side effects, storage advice, and amount paid. So user have to enter all those value and then click on the save data button. So data will store in the database, okay, and it will create the separate table for the patient information. User have to enter the patient ID, patient name, date of birth, gender, doctor, and test report, and then click on the submit button. So data will be stored in this database with the table name lab reports, and that particular lab reports data will be stored in the bottom side of that particular page. Okay, you can see in the separate table. This will be the staff detail, like you can enter the staff details and save in the separate table. If you click on submit button, then it will store data in the database. Then open the facility management, okay, like other facilities available, and it will store the data in facility table. You can also delete that particular tuple, and this will be the exit button. If you click on the exit, then confirm if you want to exit. If you click on the exit button, then it will close the software. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.